Guys, welcome back to another video. Today will be the first test drive with the RX8 2JZ. We have Connor with us here, driving his Fiat 2012 Abarth 500. He's done a couple mods to it, basic bolt-ons, exhaust system, stage 1 tune I believe. Got some wrap on it, pretty cool car. So we have 2JZ here with the CD009 6-speed transmission, and honestly, it fucking pulls. So I'm gonna let the sounds do the talking. There isn't really much to talk about. You guys have been seeing the videos in the build, so you know what I've installed in it and what I've done to it. So for now, I'm just gonna drive and let you guys enjoy the view and the turbo sounds and the exhaust sounds. That's pretty much it from my end, guys. I'm gonna do a little bit of pops and bangs for you guys. For the video. It's fucking gunshots. Woo. Sounds mean. So just in case you guys are wondering here, we have the AFRs running pretty good so far, no issues. We have the boost gauge, coolant, and the oil pressure. And I have the switch here for my fans. Right now it's set up for it to turn on manually with the switch. Eventually I'll probably install some kit where it will turn on by itself. But for now I keep it on most of the time. I did actually drive the car yesterday to make sure everything is good. So far no issues. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the build, to be honest. Feels like there's a lot of power to it, so I think we did a good job. The turbo that I've installed, 0.68 AR housing, is usually the boost kicks in around, I think, 4,000, which is pretty good, because if I decide to drive it like a grandma's car, I can do that without any issues. And if I need power, it's literally right there on my foot, just gun it and I'll get some power. So I'm honestly very happy with what I chose, and yeah, the car's pretty good performs well, no issues, power's there. So if I want to drive it slow, I could drive it slow. If I want to push it, the power is right there for you. To brake traction a lot, so I have to be very careful of driving it. That was third gear pull there. Say hello to Mr. Connor. Hey!
Honestly, big brake kit.
Brake? What?
You need to get a big brake kit.
Yeah, that's gonna be probably the next mod.
Sponsorship. Hit my boy up with a sponsorship.
Honestly, the sound of the 2Js is just so mean. It's got this unique sound to it, like a pure 2J motor. I love it. Straight out of the jungle, buddy. He seems like a pretty cool dad with his daughter. They're smiling.
You shot a flame under your car.
Yeah?
Whoa! It lit up the road.
These pops are just crazy.
That guy right through the red light.
Yeah?
Right through the red light.
Turbo flutter is just so adorable. I don't have to play any music here. I got my 2J playing it for me, so we got that on point. You're gonna be famous, my friend.
What?
You're gonna be famous.
Yeah! All this work for one moment! Still ain't got any manners.
Got a 3-inch all the way straight.
What?
Talking to myself, buddy.
You want a drink?
Sure, I'll grab a Red Bull,
What do
please.
you want? Get Red Bull?
Yeah. There we have it, guys. Needs a little bit of cleaning. Still gotta do the right side, but it runs, it drives, no problems, everything good. So the project was a success, I shall say.
Male 4C coil packs.
So what do you have done to the car, buddy? For the viewers.
Oh, for the viewers.
For the viewers. This stuff for the
Okay.
viewers.
So I have a front mount intercooler, catless downpipe, intake, the Alfa Romeo 4C coil packs, different plugs. I have a phase 2 tune on it,
Mhm.
pops and bangs. Bilstein coilovers.
What about the wrap? What color is that?
It's deep space
Mm-hmm.
by 3M.
Okay. Was that just the top or the full car?
Huh?
Is that the top or just full car?
That's the top so far, but the full car is coming.
Yeah. Pending?
Pending, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yep, and catless.
Not because of that. Won't work for me, but that's fine.
Okay, thank you. That's it. What
How
are
much
we-
do you think you're running around?
What's up?
How much do you think you're running?
I have no idea.
No?
Maybe 200. Hopefully 200.
All right.
But I'm not gonna lie. The car though, holy.
What?
The second it starts building on boost, just like you can smell how rich it goes.
Yeah.
It's like if I can be behind you with a can.
Collect all the. Stuff. Huh?
That's a 3.8 Genesis.
I think I can take him.
I'll run it all day. 300, like 70 horsepower.
Take her, buddy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the drive. I will see you until next time.